An absolutely fabulous value for money. This is a 2021 registration, last of the Range Rover Sport, but it's the HSE Silver Edition with the new design engine, which is the D300 Ingenium engine. So it's got 300 horsepower, gives you great miles per gallon, sounds nice and quiet for a diesel, but it's got a fabulous amount of specification. When I said great value for money, if you look at the price on the screen below, you'll see what you're getting. You get a car which has got 17,000 miles on with full service history, still under manufacturer's warranty, for nearly half the price of one of the new ones that we're selling. And it looks absolutely amazing. In a colour called Eiger Grey, you've got all the fancy bits on it, like the LED style daytime running lights, LED headlights. This one has a sweeping animated LED indicators front and rear. The HSE Silver Edition also gives you the upgraded front bumpers, where it's all colour coded with the LED front fog lights, front rear parking sensors, headlight washers, you've got cruise control, heated steering wheel, and then you get the HSE Silver upgraded 21-inch alloy wheels, diamond cut with a high gloss black on the insert. Again, in perfect condition. This car's been very well looked after. I know for a fact somebody out there who's looking for a Range Rover Sport will see this video, call me direct because it isn't going to hang around. They never do when they're at this sort of price. Front rear mud flaps, fixed side steps, they're extras, not standard. You've then got this beautiful surrounding on the door handles being the HSE Silver Edition, so it's a nice darker finish like the badges front and rear. Black window surrounds, sun protection glass, and you've got the tilt and sliding panoramic roof, which is also an extra. But then you've got this beautiful ebony leather interior with electric memory and heated seats. And then as you get in, the first thing I want to show you on this HSE Silver Edition is under the armrest, you've got a refrigerator, which is brilliant. Twin cup holders, 2 keys. Touchscreen media system, the tilting media screen, which is also a touchscreen. You've got navigation, media, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, all the different settings for the 4x4. It really is that good, this car. It's amazing. Top dash and bottom dash just there, so lots of space with a lock and wheel nut. You've then got the sliding roof, frameless interior mirror, sun visor, 17,000 miles. Look at the condition of this car. So when you're buying a used car, no two used cars are the same. We talk about this all the time. But when you're buying one like this one with full service history, with low miles, no bodywork damage, no interior damage, it's just crisp. The rear seats are also heated, ISOFIX attachments, and that centre section comes down, which creates a centre armrest for the rear passengers. Round the back, that beautiful stretched LED rear lighting system, top spoiler, there's a sweeping animated indicator again, twin exhaust fascias, and then you've got the automatic tailgate. That can be used by pressing the button or press the button on the key. Reversing camera system, that hides all your valuables. You've got 60-40 split seats, and then lots more cubbyhole space underneath, where the spare wheel is in this case. Only a space saver, but better than nothing. It's amazing how many times cars don't come with anything anymore. You just get a foam kit. If you look at the bodywork on this car, and I've said this more than once now, we are very, very particular in what we sell. We've got a great reputation for selling the best cars because we don't take chances. So that's the bodywork, it's the interior, the driver's seat, the door cards. Everything just has to be in the right condition, because when you're seeing this video and if you end up buying it over the phone and you come to collect it in 3-4 days time, we want to give you the best presentation and the best product possible. Yes, it is a used car, but it wants to look right. It wants to smell nice, hasn't been smoked in. It's just perfect. The upgraded steering wheel, there's your heated steering wheel, voice control, stereo controls, paddle shift, and the full TFT digital dashboard just there. Put it into reverse, your reversing camera comes on. I won't spend too much time going through the media screen, but there's so many different settings on there that are available. The different drive terrains and sort of comfort programs, mud, rut, sand, gravel, all that kind of stuff going on. Heated seats down here. Front and rear heated windscreen, centre armrest and the individual armrest, but in nice position, and with it being a 4-wheel drive, it's brilliant on the road and absolutely amazing off the road. Guys, this one's going live now. My name is Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call. My name and number's on the screen. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.